Ready? Push the button.
Woo!
Go. Hold it in. Hold it in. Hold the button in. Push it, son.
Let me see you, Samuel. Let me see how fast you go. Put Roan's foot on it, Daddy.
Roan wouldn't keep his foot down.
Do it, Roan. Do it, Roan. I take a picture. Woo! I've never seen Pete run so fast. Whoa! Look at Ron's face. Samuel wants to stop. It's Roan, it's Roan. Who's Roan River fishing the gas?
Yeah, Gigi, you have a shot. But you gotta take River. Can you steer better than the boys can?
Yes.
Don't put your crown on the ground.
Where do I drive?
Thank God you did not run over my hurt toe.
Here.
Stop! Stop!
Stop, Daddy.
I didn't do a thing. It's you.
No, he wasn't kind of pushing you. You're supposed to get the baby on your lap first, babe. Or let her have a test drive first.
Okay. That pedal, here. That pedal is go. And then the steering move just steers.
Go!
Fill that up over here.
You're too heavy.
Turn around. Turn around. It has a reverse on it. Put an R for going backwards. Maybe we should let River drive.
Go, Juju!
Go on. Audrey, get on.
She's not on. She's pushing it, baby. Watch out, Samuel!
Don't stop. Run over Audrey. Ginger. Take it on the street, Ginger. Go on the street with it. Woo, on the street with it. Yes, you can.
Only this street.
This our street where we ride her bike.
No, yeah, go in a circle.
Turn the wheel. Don't run into my
Oh, they're so grown. Hey,
Number 2.
if we train them in this, we can train them to ride a lawnmower.
As long as you don't
Audrey's turn.
As long as you don't bang blinds like this.
Right.
Put it in 2. That's the fast one.
Whoa.
Glory!
She's too heavy.
Yes, she is. She's having a good time.
Riding like a proper lady.
Samuel! Oh, there you are.
Yeah, my boy.
Photograph for Samuel.
And that's my turn.
No.
Look at that riding on there. That's gorgeous. Don't run into a tree. All right, come bring it back for Sam.